This is a brand new 2013 Acura TSX. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.